Righto, welcome to Cherry Gardens. Welcome to our temporary home while we're getting our house renovated. And got a little bit of an update here. Got a wheel carrier about 99% complete, working. Just got a little bit more painting. And working on something a bit different up front. Well, one thing is the hitch, extended hitch, and also a bit of an extension on the drawbar storage, as you can see. So yeah, where you used to be at this height down here, and it used to be for timber, so it was built to put timber up top here. But after a couple of trips with our baby or toddler, worked out probably could do with a little bit more storage space, because I like to keep stuff on here rather than in a tray where it can get a bit of dust in there. So this is completely dust proof. I built the bottom part, and I'm adding on this top part here and putting on some service doors, like a caravan service door on this side and that side, and it can keep, I don't know, clothes, firewood dry, food, whatever, and plus it gives it a bit of aerodynamic. And then what I'm going to do up here is put a little bit of a cage just up there to hold firewood, like if we're camping in the reasonably dry where it's not raining. Almost like, there's a brand called Brooder, I think it's pronounced Brooder, and they make campers sort of like that, just a little bit of a basket just up there. Anyway, more videos coming soon. Please like, subscribe. GT Garage. Catch you soon.